Did you know that many of the ornamental plants we grow in our homes and gardens can be poisonous without us realizing it? We often choose these plants for their beauty and easy care, but some of them contain toxic substances that can harm humans or pets, sometimes just by touch, and sometimes when chewed or eaten. First, oleander. It is considered one of the most dangerous ornamental plants. All parts of the plant are toxic, from the leaves and flowers to the sap. Poisoning usually occurs when it is ingested, but in some cases the toxins can even spread through smoke when its branches are burned. Oleander directly affects the heart and can cause serious rhythm disturbances, and in severe cases, it can be fatal. Second, foxglove. Known for its tall, beautiful flowers, this plant contains compounds that affect the heart muscle. Both its leaves and flowers are toxic, and even small amounts can cause dangerous irregularities in heart rhythm. Third, English ivy. One of the most commonly used plants indoors and on walls. Its leaves and berries are toxic to both humans and animals. Repeated contact may cause skin irritation, while ingesting parts of the plant can lead to stomach problems and difficulty breathing. Fourth, lilies. Among the most beautiful ornamental plants, yet extremely dangerous to animals, especially cats. All parts of the plant are toxic to them, and even exposure to pollen or drinking water from the vase can cause severe poisoning leading to kidney failure within a short time. Fifth, Dieffenbachia. A popular houseplant, but its leaves contain a toxic sap. Chewing or breaking the leaves can cause swelling of the tongue and throat, leading to difficulty speaking or breathing. Sixth, azalea and rhododendron. Their leaves and flowers contain toxins that affect the nervous system. Poisoning occurs when ingested and may cause severe vomiting, dizziness, seizures, and neurological disturbances. The risk is higher for children and animals. Seventh, yew. An evergreen ornamental plant that is highly toxic. All parts of the plant are poisonous except for the red fleshy part of the berry. Eating the leaves or seeds can lead to sudden cardiac arrest. Eighth, castor bean plant. Sometimes grown for decoration, but its seeds contain ricin, one of the most dangerous toxins known. Swallowing just a few seeds can be fatal, and poisoning usually occurs through ingestion. Ninth, monkshood. Also known as aconite, this plant is considered one of the most poisonous plants in the world, despite its beautiful purple flowers. All parts of the plant are toxic, with the roots being the most dangerous. Poisoning can occur not only through ingestion, but sometimes even through skin contact due to the powerful toxins it contains. Exposure may cause severe numbness, paralysis of the nervous system, and serious heart disturbances that can be fatal. Despite these dangers, some people still grow monkshood as an ornamental. What about you? Which of these plants do you have at home? Some can be dangerous, especially for kids and pets. Stay cautious. See you in the next video.